Hello, welcome to our winter tour of the garden. As you've noticed, it's grey. No more flowers, except for this. Except for this. I'm clearing this. I'm cutting them down and try to overwinter them to have them return next year. If you remember this word geranium, hanging geranium, I hope that they come back. We'll bring them to the greenhouse. Ay, ay, ay. They're screwed. Oh yeah, I still can. False alarm, Romulo. Yeah. There used to be four fishes, and they procreated, and I hope they survive. Happy that I hope they survive the winter. They usually do. They stop eating, by the way. Before I show you the plants and bushes around the house, first our vegetable and ornamental areas, the grayness and emptiness of winter. There used to be flowers here, sunflowers and dahlias. I cut them down, hoping that they come back next year. Here as well. Do you remember the dahlias? Yeah. I also cut them down, covered them with leaves, hopefully enough to get them survive the winter. And do you remember our chayote, our very productive chayote here? I also covered it with leaves, hoping it comes back next year. And I also hope that the rats won't eat the tubers. That's what happened last time. The chayote survived, but the rats ate the tubers. I'll show you inside. Look, we have a new acquisition. I now have a heater here, so it can be cozy here in the winter. We can sit here enjoying our drink, and I'll show you the kitchen. Ta-da! There's nothing cooking this time. There's nothing cooking. There's nothing cooking. And here, look, I moved the cabinet. Cozy. And that concludes our short tour of our garden this winter time 2023. See you on our next videos.